What if a small empty space in your home could turn into a steady source of income without requiring a huge investment or complicated setup? Most people think starting a farming business requires land, money, and years of experience. But the truth is, some of the most profitable farming ideas start small and grow over time. And one of those powerful ideas is Desi Chicken Farming at home. A simple, practical, and highly profitable business that anyone can start. It doesn't matter if you live in a village or a city, this model can work almost anywhere. But here's the catch. Success in this business is not about luck. It's about understanding the system and avoiding common mistakes. Because many people start this journey with excitement, but fail due to poor planning. And today, we are going to make sure that doesn't happen to you. In this video, you will learn exactly how to start Desi Chicken Farming from scratch. We'll cover investment, setup, feeding, growth, and profit in detail. No confusion, no complicated terms, just a clear and practical roadmap. By the end of this video, you will know how to turn this idea into real income. So, stay with me till the end, because small details make a big difference. Let's start with the most important question. Why choose Desi chickens instead of broilers? The answer is simple. Demand and price both are higher for Desi chickens. People today prefer natural and organic food more than ever before. Desi chicken is seen as healthier, tastier, and more traditional. And because of this, it sells at a premium price in the market, but the advantage doesn't stop at meat. Desi chickens also produce eggs that are sold at higher rates. This means you are not relying on just one source of income. You are building multiple income streams from the same setup, and this is what smart farming looks like in modern times. Now let's talk about investment, which is the biggest concern for beginners. Most people think they need a large budget to get started, but the reality is completely different. You can start this business with a very small amount of money. Even 10 to 20 chicks are enough to begin your journey. This small start allows you to learn without taking big risks. The cost of each chick is affordable, depending on your location and quality. So your initial investment stays low and manageable. And once you gain confidence, you can slowly scale up. Smart growth always begins with a small but strong start. Now let's move to the setup, which is easier than most people imagine. You don't need expensive buildings or advanced equipment. A simple, clean, and well-ventilated space is enough. It can be your backyard, rooftop, or even a small unused room. The goal is to create a safe and comfortable environment. Proper ventilation is very important for chicken health. Fresh air reduces the risk of disease and stress. At the same time, the area should be protected from extreme weather. Cleanliness should always be your top priority, because hygiene directly affects growth and survival. Now comes the most important part, feeding your chickens correctly. Feeding is not just about giving food, it's about giving the right nutrition. Desi chickens can eat a variety of natural foods. Grains, wheat, rice leftovers, and even kitchen waste can be used. This helps reduce your feeding costs significantly. But here's where many beginners make mistakes. They ignore nutritional balance and feed randomly. Your chickens also need protein and essential nutrients. Without proper nutrition, growth becomes slow and weak. And slow growth means delayed profit. Water is another critical factor that you must never ignore. Always provide clean and fresh water to your chickens. Dirty water can lead to diseases very quickly. And once disease spreads, losses can become serious. Prevention is always better than cure in farming. Now let's talk about growth and time expectations. Desi chickens grow slower compared to broilers. But this slower growth comes with higher market value. Usually it takes around 4 to 6 months to reach a good selling size. During this time, consistency is the key to success. Once your chickens reach the right size, you can sell them at a premium price. And this is where your patience starts paying off. Market demand for Desi chicken remains strong in most areas, which makes it a reliable source of income. The better your care, the better your returns. Now let's break down the profit potential in a simple way. Even with a small number of chickens, you can generate a decent return. As you increase your scale, your profit also increases. This business has strong scalability potential. Many farmers have turned it into a full-time income source. And if you want to go one step further, you can start breeding your own chicks. This reduces your dependency on buying from others and increases your overall profit margin. But always start simple and learn step by step. Rushing into expansion can create unnecessary problems. Now let's talk about common mistakes that you must avoid. Overfeeding or underfeeding your chickens, ignoring hygiene and cleanliness, using poor quality feed to save money, and expecting quick results without patience. Farming is not a shortcut to instant success. It is a system that rewards consistency and discipline. The farmers who succeed are the ones who stay committed. They learn from mistakes and keep improving, and that's exactly what you need to do. Always observe your chickens carefully. Their behavior tells you everything about their health. Early signs can help you prevent bigger problems. Awareness is your biggest advantage in farming. The more you observe, the better decisions you make. So now the real question is, are you ready to take action? Because opportunities like this don't need perfect conditions. They need the right mindset and consistent effort. Start small, stay consistent, and grow smart over time. And this simple idea can turn into a powerful source of income and success.